besides us. And this government will always, ang ating lokal na pamahalaan, will always say wonderful words and amazing grace to the Lord. Because, alam ko, with this pink Christmas, it symbolizes love, purity, and togetherness. Welcome back, Vice Governor Alex Castro. Welcome back. And sa lahat po na nandiyan na nasa likod, I won't take you long. Basta alam ko po, I'm dressed today. Naka-uniform po ako. Kakulay po ako ng Christmas tree. Do I look like a Christmas tree? I think so. Yes, I look like a Christmas tree. And I would really say this sa inyong lahat. Every day is a Christmas because of love, compassion, leadership with pride, and